Good morning, children. Today we are going to see a new topic, the face of India. Now we are going to see different types of landforms. First one is mountain, second one is plateau, third one plain, and the last one is desert. In India, we can see different types of landforms. Each place differs from other. It doesn't look same. In earth, we can see some places are flat and other places are high. In some places, land is surrounded by water. Some others, it is covered with ice and snow. The natural features on earth's surface such as mountains, hills and beaches are called landforms of earth. First one is mountain. A mountain is a landform above the earth's surface. It forms a peak on top. Mountains are close to each other with pointy or rounded peak to form a mountain range. Some examples of mountain ranges in India are the Himalayas, the Western Ghats, and the Eastern Ghats. Second one is plateau. A plateau is raised stretch of land, looks like a mountain, but it has a flat top. Plateau are higher than mountain. The largest plateau in Asia is Tibetan Plateau. The largest plateau in India, Deccan Plateau. Some other plateaus like Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau are the important plateaus of India. A plain is almost flat stretch of land with no major changes in height. Plains are usually found at the base of the mountain, along a river or sea. The plains found in the inner parts of a country are called inland plain. Example of inland plains are the fertile northern plains, which is located in the base of the Himalayan mountain. Plains near the seacoast are called coastal plains. The plains along the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea are the coastal plains. And the last one is desert. Desert are large, dry area of land. No rainfall throughout the year. There are few plants due to lack of water. There are two types of desert, hot and cold desert. Everyone knows a desert are too hot. First, hot desert. Hot desert are very hot and covered with sand. Example for hot desert is Thar desert, which is located in Rajasthan. And the other one is cold desert. Cold desert are covered with snow and receive snowfall during winter time. Cold desert have hot summers but extremely cold winter. The temperature region lie between the polar region and the tropics. It can also have very little rain or snow. Example for cold desert are the Gobi Desert in Central Asia. From this lesson, I am going to ask few questions. Give an example of mountain ranges in India. A raised stretch of land like a mountain is called dash. Give an example for cold desert. Plains near the sea coast are called dash, which is called as hot desert. Answer these questions via voice message. Thank you, children.